And we look at the weekly chart, and you can see from the chart that the telltale is quite clear, that even though the Euro Swiss is in a major downtrend, and I will show you our long-term position on that trade, you'll see that we have been taking it long from, our long-term position is from here. We are short from 145.77, so we are on that position now. This is, let me show you the trade manager position on this trade. We're short from, let me make it, I'll just change it, put the right one. We're short, the last price is 131.74, and the order was filled at the sell order was from 145, so we're about 1,450 pips on that trade. Now, having said that, we are still technically short the Euro Swiss, but we are now should be looking at closing that position, because right here on the weekly we do have two strong buy signals, plus we have the intervention, so we have two technical buy signals, plus we have an event that's happening in the market. So with that, we need to be looking at closing our short position and reversing to go long. So right here we have our buy signal, that is our structure point right there. Okay, and we need now to see how we are going to trade it on the daily chart. So we have no reason right this moment to actually short the Euro Swiss. We have about 100 pips before we can actually think of going short, and we can buy it above 133. We have 50 pips away from the buy, so we just have to be careful, because while the trend is so much entrenched to the downside, so for some reason the intraday data is not being downloaded from the server, so I'm going to use the daily charts to come up with the, so my buying point is going to be the 133.02. $1.33023. My selling point is the 1.30725. It is also the structure, no, that's not a structure long, it is the 103.725. this is the structure short. I have to identify the structure long. I'm not doing the Euro Swiss in details because for some reason it's not downloading it from TradeStation, the intraday data, so I'm trying to gauge it from the daily chart. On the next structure long, I'm just going to put it the 135 for the time being. Okay, so just take this as a global picture, because as I said, I don't have the intraday data, so I cannot for some reason it's not even showing here. So anyway, I'll show you from the format. So to go along the euro Swiss, we're going to buy it above 1.33023. This is our long point. Our short point is 1.30725. Our structure long is 1.35. You can put 2 zeros if you want to. And our structure short is the 1.30725. Okay, I can't put the stops now because I don't have the intraday data, but again, for all you guys, make sure that you place your stop on a technical base. All right, so that is the euro